What happened? Why are you looking so upset?
I lost most of my catch today. 7 days hard work, crew's salary and fuel, all gone to complete waste. Oh God, so much loss.
Oh no, how?
I think it was because of bad quality ropes and nets. First, we had difficulty in controlling the nets through ropes, then net tore and a lot of my catch was lost.
You should use Tough Ropes. They are the market leaders in ropes and nets. I am using their ropes and nets for few years now. In fact, why don't you meet my net maker? He can guide you.
Yes, that would be great. Let's go.
Hello sir, meet my friend. He lost a lot of his catch because of bad quality nets and ropes. Oh, that is sad. There are many types of ropes available in the market, but I only trust Tough Nets and Tough Ropes, best quality and trustworthy. With Tough Ropes, I have the assurance that the nets and ropes will work perfectly and the fisherman will keep earning his livelihood. In fact, you are lucky. Here, meet Mr. Tough Ropes.
Hello. Sorry to hear about your loss, but let's be glad that now you have reached the right person. What is so special in Tough Nets and Tough Ropes? Sir, can you explain? Your entire livelihood is dependent on how well the trawl nets function under the sea. And how well you can control those nets through ropes. Loose knots, abrasion, and ununiform mesh can lead to the net breaking or tearing while pulling up, resulting in loss of the entire catch. Similarly, general ropes are at high risk of breaking with weight. While elongated, they become very difficult to control, which puts your trawl net under risk. Tough Ropes is an international market leader in fishing. With their fishing nets and ropes used across 27 countries, Tough Ropes brings international acumen, technology and quality to the Indian fishing industry. Tough Ropes nets and ropes are made from virgin quality material, and they are treated with ultraviolet rays, which makes them stronger and resilient. Tough Ropes nets are designed by a unique stretching process of depth stretch that ensures knot stability even in high pressure, and length stretch for the best finishing of nets. Tough Ropes also ensures that all ropes and nets go through an extensive testing process to achieve high endurance even in hostile conditions. All these properties gives Tough Ropes higher load bearing capacity and higher tensile and breaking strength. Better control on elongation. Apart from this, Tough Ropes is a real value for money purchase as it gives more runnage than any other brand. It has a longer shelf life than any other brand of ropes. Tough Ropes is also very lightweight and soft, that helps the crew to manage the ropes without hurting themselves. Best quality, better strength, better control and soft on hands makes Tough Ropes the best choice for ropes and nets for fishing, and the perfect insurance for your livelihood. Available in unique packaging at a retail store near you or with a Tough Ropes channel partner. Ultra 28, 50, 100 trawl net or Ultra COD coat end cover. Aquamarine, perfect mouth of trawl net because of high BS or abrasion resistance or better mouth opening. Bahubali, better control on mouth or belly of trawl net because of high BS or abrasion resistance. For ropes, use Tough Ropes, Aqua Tough Danline or Aqua Tough PP trawl net mouth opening ropes. Tough Blue Sea, used for bridle application of trawl. Aqua Tough Danline or Aqua Tough PP, perfect for anchoring needs. Tough Ropes also designs square chord ends nets which are very effective in reducing bycatch. Juvenile fishers can easily escape through square chord ends, ensuring a healthy and thriving fishing ecosystem. Through our responsible fishing initiative, we encourage fishermen to opt for square chord ends and reduce bycatch. Thank you, sir. Now Tough Ropes will always be my first preference.